When you know something big is coming, you don't wait until it hits you in the face. You plan, you save, you stay calm. That's what a sinking fund is. It's like saying, "Hey, future me, I got you." Let's say your laptop is dying. You know you'll need a new one in 2 years. Instead of stressing later, you start putting away $30 every month now. In 2 years? Boom, paid. No credit card, no panic, just smooth. Or maybe your car will need replacing. Or your kids' school fees are due in 6 months. Or your business has to pay back a loan in 3 years. You're not saving randomly. You're saving with a purpose, one goal, one fund. That's what makes it a sinking fund. Companies use them too. They borrow money, then slowly save each year to pay it back. It builds trust, investors like that. Here's the cool part. A sinking fund keeps your budget clean. You don't touch emergency money. You don't mess with your regular spending. You're not guessing. You're just being smart. It's like setting a little trap for future expenses. So when the bill shows up, you're ready. Sinking fund equals small steps, big relief. It's not sexy, it's not flashy. But it works. Plan ahead. Save small. Sleep easy. That's the power of a sinking fund. If you want to get more videos like this, subscribe, like, and share to grow this community. Struggling to save money? Wondering how to budget better or kill your debt faster? Meet your personal frugal coach. Ask Pinchy Joe. It's like having a money-smart best friend in your pocket for free. Ask anything, anytime, and get instant, no BS advice to help you live smarter and save more. Tap the link in the description of this video now and start chatting with Ask Pinchy Joe today. Your wallet will thank you.